All right, everybody, welcome back. We've had such a great run in the past couple weeks with our solar system, our flat solar system. We decided to break out what was in the inventory in the backyard. And this coming weekend, we're hoping to install the Solyndras. So if you notice, these panels are not technically panels because they're kind of like cylinders of thin film. What do you call it? Solar film, kind of wrapped inside like these glass cylinders. It's almost it's a very unique design. So apparently this company came up with this new idea, but it didn't take, so they went out of business. But so these panels are interesting because they have an voltage open circuit of 91 volts, but only at 2.72 amps. So it makes wiring these guys a little tricky. You know, probably can only put we have a 450 volt max input limit for our inverter, and so we'll probably have to string these in series of 4 and then parallel rest, so that way we don't exceed the limit. Another item of note are their connectors. So instead of using MC4 connectors, they have their own proprietary connector, which makes it not very cool, right? Because, you know, if I'm tying them to one another, it's fine, but then I gotta tie it out, right? So yeah, just figure I do a quick documentary of what they look like and what we're expecting this coming weekend. All right.